Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th Standard Maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. A determined mind and a positive attitude will increase your ability to achieve and succeed any goal you want in life. Let's start the session. Probability of an event. In a random experiment, let S be the sample space and E subset to S. Then if E is an event, the probability of occurrence of E is defined as. So here the given is that is probability of an event. That means for the event we want to find the probability. So probability, that letter is P. So probability of an event, let us consider as P of E. Probability of an event. So here S be the sample space. We already know the sample space definition, and also E is an event. So event means we know that event will come with the topic. Then the probability of occurrence of E is defined as, that means P of E equal to number of outcomes favorable to occurrence of E divided by number of all possible outcomes. So this is the keyword, that is N of E divided by N of S. That means N of E means number of event divided by number of sample space. So this is the easiest one. This is what is the definition for this N of E and N of S. So N of E represent as number of outcomes favorable to occurrence of E. N of S is number of all possible outcomes. So here the next one, this is considered as P of E. This formula is useful for the each and every question for to find the probability of an event. Next one is P of S. Here this S is considered as sure event. So sure event means nothing but N of S divided by N of S equal to 1. If the total answer is cancelled with the same table and then we get 1. If you get 1 means that is the probability of sure event. So the probability of sure event is 1. This is 1 mark question. The probability of sure event is, that is what? 1. Next one is P of null. P of null, nothing but N of null divided by N of S. Null means that is empty. So empty means we get what? 0. For the question what they given, N of S we know that for the head. That means we have tossed a coin, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, like that. Then dice, 1 dice, 2 dice and pack of cards, like that we have know the N of S. So 0 divided by means we get what? 0. If you get the 0 means that is impossible event. So this is also 1 mark question. The probability of impossible event is what? 0. Then next one is P of E bar. So P of E bar, nothing but number of outcomes unfavorable to occurrence of E. So unfavorable, before that is favorable. This one is unfavorable to occurrence of E divided by number of all possible outcomes. So it is that what they come. இது வந்து step by step process. This is not useful for the sum. This is want to know how to get this P of E. So P of E bar. So P of E bar equal to N minus M divided by N. Nothing but Mn, nothing but we have taken, that is P of E is taken as what? M by N. So here M is favorable outcomes of E and N is number of possible outcomes. That is in your book page number 319. That note column, it will be represent, the full explanation is there. M is considered as number of favorable outcomes of E. N is total number of possible outcomes. So here the representation is there. So N minus M. So here unfavorable means what? We have to subtract N minus M divided by N. So we have tried N by N minus m by n. So n cancels. So 1 minus m by n we get. So 1 is already we know that m by n is considered as p of e. So here we substitute that. Then minus p of e, it will become to left hand side means we get what? Plus p of e. So p of e plus p of e bar equal to what? 1. If you get this one means that is probability for the event, and also for the favorable and unfavorable if you add means we get what? 1. Exercise 8.3, third question. If A is an event of a random experiment such that P of A is to P of A bar equal to 17 is to 15 and N of S equal to 640, then find P of A bar. Second one is N of A. So first of all we want to write the given. That given is nothing but P of A is to P of A bar equal to 17 is to 15. Then N of S is given. N of S equal to 640. So here we want to find the P of A bar. Second one is N of A. So first of all we want to find the P of A bar. So P of A bar we want to find. So the given is here given, that is P of A is to P of A bar equal to 17 is to 15. So this ratio is converted into divide. So how to write means the first one as in the numerator by second one as the denominator for the both sides. So 17 by 15. So here we want to find the P of A bar. So nothing but P of A bar means we want to know P of A means if it is possible means we have to substitute in the formula. That is we have the formula, that is P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. If it is known any one thing means we have substitute easily. So divided by P of A bar, it will be go that side means it will be multiplication. So P of A equal to 17 by 15 into P of A bar. So here we find P of A, but we want to find the P of A bar. So nothing but we have to use the formula, that is P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. So here the event, that letter is E. But in this question, the event is given as A. A is an event. The first word itself they mention if A is an event. So for that, we have to change this alphabet. P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. So already we find the P of A, nothing but 17 by 15 into P of A bar plus P of A bar equal to 1. So here we have to take the LCM. This is 17 P of A bar alone. It is that because here in the multiplication, so it is in the numerator alone. So 17 into P of A bar means 17 P of A bar. Here we have to take the LCM, that is 15, because in denominator 1 alone we have, here also we have 1 alone. So 15 in 1s are 15. So if you multiple with the 15 means numerator also we want to multiple with the 15. So plus 15 P of A bar equal to 1. So now we have to take this 15 into equal side, and also here we have to add. So 17 plus 15, that means 32 P of A bar. This is nothing but 17x plus 2x if you given means what you have write 19x, like that. Here also P of A bar, here also P of A bar. So we have to add the coefficient. So 32 into P of A bar equal to, this 15 is in the denominator. If you take into the right hand side means it will be multiple. So 1 15s are 15. Now we want to know the only P of A bar. So nothing but P of A bar equal to, it is in the multiplication. So it will become this sign means 15 by 32. So first subdivision we find nothing but that is 15 by 32. Second one, this there we want to find N of A. So N of A if you want to find means we know the formula, that is P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. This also we have seen in the note, nothing but probability of an event. So P of E equal to N of E divided by N of S. So here also same thing given. In place of E, we have to write A. So P of A is nothing but we didn't know, or otherwise we have to substitute in this one. P of A already we know that 17 by 15 into P of A bar. So if you substitute means we get the value. So P of A equal to 17 by 15 into P of A bar. This is it we have find here. So in place of P of A bar, we have to substitute in the 15 divided by 32. So 17 by 15 into 15 by 32. So 15 cancel. So remaining we get P of A equal to 17 by 32. So both are didn't cancel with any same table. So we written 17 by 32. Now we want to find the N of A. So this is easy to solve because we know the P of A also we know that, and also N of S also we know that. Now substitute in the formula. So here the formula is nothing but P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. So P of A is nothing but 17 by 32. N of A is we didn't know. Then N of S is 640. So divided by 640 it will be go that side means multiplication. So N of A equal to 17 by 32 into 640. Here it is cancel with the 32 table itself. Straightly you can cancel. 132 is 32. 2 32s are 64. The 0 it will be added. So 20. So 17 into 20. If you multiple means N of A equal to 340. Again I recall you. First of all, they given us P of A is to P of A bar equal to 17 is to 15. இது ரேஷியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ரேஷியோவில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதை பை ஃபார்மெட்டில் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ பை ஃபார்மெட்டில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது ஃபஸ்ட்டு உள்ளது நியூமரேட்டர், செகண்ட் உள்ளது டினாமினேட்டர். தென் we have to substitute in the any one thing. So we want to know any one formula, that is P of A or P of A bar. Answer it if you know means it will be easy to solve the next one. So first of all I have taken the P of A. Then substitute in the formula P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. Then we find the P of A bar. Then second one is N of A. For this N of A, first of all we want to know find the P of A. Nothing but 17 by 32. Then we have to substitute in the formula. If you substitute means we get the value, that is N of A equal to 340. Fourth question. A coin is tossed thrice. What is the probability of getting 2 consecutive tails? So here the mention is coin. So coin means we know that head tail like that. Here tossed coin is that is thrice. So thrice means we know that N of S is what? 8. So what is the possibilities for coin tossed by the threes? Coin is tossed by thrice means we want to write the sample space. So S equal to we want to write. So we know that the simplest method, that is 2 coin. First of all we want to write HH, HT, TH, TT. Then again you have to write HH, HT, TH, TT. Then we want to, for the first row we have to write at last H, 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 T, 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 T. Then close the set bracket. Here N of S equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to find what is the probability. So if they ask what is the probability means, first of all we want to choose the alphabet for an event. So here the getting 2 consecutive tails. What does that mean? Consecutive means that is continuous tails. Consecutive means what? Continuous tails. So here we want to take that alphabet. Let A be an event of getting 2 consecutive tails. ஸோ ஒரு ஆல்ஃபபெட் ஏன்றதை எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அந்த கொஸ்டின் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ அதை தான் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். மேம் ஹியர் வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் த ஏ ஆல்ஃபபெட் அலோனா மேம்? நோ. A to Zல விச் ஆல்ஃபபெட் யூ கேன் டேக் ஹியர் that is must be in the capital. So here A we want to find. So consecutive means what? Continuous tails. So check with the sample space. Here the sample space H, H, H. So here there is no continuous tails. Here also continuous tails is not there. Here also not there, because here and there only one tail is there. So in this type, yes, this is one. So T, T continuous are there. So T, T, H. Here H, H, T. Here also one is there. So no possible. Here H, T, T. It is continuous. So it will be chosen. Here T, H, T. It will be in continuous. No. ஏன்னா இது இந்த சைடில் இருக்கு. கண்டினியூஸ்னா பக்கத்தில் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் கண்டினியூஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் ஆல்சோ we have take because T, T, T. So 2 consecutive tails they mention. Here 3 continuous tails are there. So you must write that. Then we want to write that possibilities. Set of T, T, H, H, T, T, then T, T, T. So here n of A we want to find. So n of A nothing but 1, 2, 3. So n of A equal to 3. Here we want to find the probability of the getting 2 tails C1. So we want to write P of A formula. P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S. Here n of A nothing but 3 divided by n of S is 8. So it will be not cancelled. So straightly you have to write. So P of A equal to 3 by 8. Example 8.18. A bag contains 5 blue balls, 4 green balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the ball drawn is blue. Second one is not blue. So first of all we want to write the given. So here the given is 5 blue balls and 4 green balls. So 5 blue balls, 4 green balls. So we want to write the total number of sample space for this bag contain. So totally we have 5 plus 4, 9. So here we have a 9. So n of s equal to 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. Here the first one is, that is what they ask. Here we have to write that, find the probability that the ball drawn is blue. So first of all we want to find the blue ball. So take the alphabet as an event. So let A be an event of getting a blue ball. So we want to find the n of A. So here blue ball nothing but n of A the given is there. So 5 is the blue ball. So n of A equal to 5. Then we want to use the formula for the probability. So P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S. So here n of A nothing but 5. N of S is 9. Then next one is second one, nothing but that is not blue. For the not blue means we have to take an A as an event for the blue ball. Means for the not blue means we want to find the A bar. So here A bar nothing but we want to use the formula. So P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. So P of A nothing but that is blue ball, getting a blue ball. Here getting a not a blue ball. So equal to 1. We want to find the P of A bar. So P of A bar equal to 1 minus, that will become this side means minus P of A. Now we want to substitute in this one. So 1 minus P of A nothing but 5 by 9. So take an LCM. Here we have 1, here we have a 9. So take a cross multiplication. 1 9s are 9, 1 5s are 5, divided by 1 9s are 9. So if you subtract means 9 minus 5, 4 by 9. So here P of A bar nothing but 4 by 9. Example 8.19. 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability that the sum of outcome is equal to 4, greater than 10, less than 13. So here we want to find the 3 terms, that is equal to 4, greater than 10, less than 13. First of all here see that 2 dice are rolled. So if you see this word, you have to write the sample space. What is the 2 dice rolled sample space? So S equal to nothing but that is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So totally n of s equal to, if you calculate, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Here also 6, here also 6. So 6, 6 are 36. So here we find that is n of s equal to 36. So here we have a 3 possible probability getting terms, that is equal to 4, greater than 10, less than 13. So first of all, we want to find the first subdivision. Nothing but here we have to write that alphabet for the event. So let A be an event of getting sum of outcomes equal to 4. So this means sum means addition. So if you add the two terms means we want to get that equal to 4. Nothing but 1 plus 1 means we get what? 2. 1 plus 2 means 3. Here 1 plus 3 is 4. Here we get one value. Then next one is 2 comma 2. That is 2 plus 2, 4. 3 comma 1. We know that 3 plus 1 means 4. So if you add another term means it is not possible for equal to 4. So here we want to write the set. So A equal to set of 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1. So here n of A that possible is 1, 2, 3. So P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S. So here 3 by 36. We must cancel this one because both are cancelled with the 3 table. So 1 3 is 3, 12 3s are 36. So P of A equal to 1 by 12 for the first subdivision. Then we move on to the second one. Nothing but second one is the letter. First one A alphabet we have taken as the E1. Second letter B. So let B be an event of getting the sum of outcomes is greater than 10. Greater than 10 means here the possibility terms. If you add means greater than 10, that means 11, 12. If you add means 11, 12, 13 like that. If get means that is the correct one. Because if you take 5 plus 5 we get 10. So if it is take ma'am like that, if you ask means that is wrong because they given us greater than 10. They didn't mention greater than or equal to அப்படின்னு கொடுக்கல. ஸோ கிரேட்டர் தேன் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 10க்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸையும் தான் நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம். ஸோ ஹியர் இஃப் யூ see means with the sample space means we know that after 10 alone we have to take. So if you add this one, 1 plus 6 means 7. Before that it is less than 2 plus 6 means we get what? 8. So here if it is possible means 3 plus 6, 9. So it is also not possible. Here 4 plus 6 means 10. So can't possible. So here 5 plus 5, 10. So it is not possible. 5 plus 6 means 11. So it will be taken. Here also 6 plus 5, 11. So this also 6, 6 also we can take because 6 plus 6, 12. So here the B, that means B equal to set of 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So n of B equal to 1, 2, 3. So here we want to find the probability. So P of B equal to n of B divided by n of S. So 3 divided by 36. So we can cancel. 1 3 is 3. 12 3s are 36. So P of B equal to 1 by 12. Then third one we want to find. Nothing but the third one is same like that. But they take the event as C. So let C be an event of getting the sum value, sum of outcomes or sum of outcomes value, like that you have to take is less than 13. So less than 13 means we have to take terms up to what? If you add means we want to take that before 12. They didn't mention less than or equal to. If equal to சொல்லாங்கன்னா 13 வந்திருக்கும். So see here the possibilities. If you add 1 plus 1 means we get 2. Till the last term if you add 6 plus 6 if you add means 12. So total all the sample space that is less than 36. So if it is that means we here the n of C like that. If you want to write means n of C equal to 36. So no need to write all the terms. So n of C equal to 36. Then P of C equal to n of C divided by n of S. So n of C is 36 divided by 36. So 36 cancel 1 1. So 1 divided by 1 means 1. So P of C equal to 1. For this question is nothing but this is the one is sure event we can take. So this question is considered as the sure event. Example 8.20. 2 coins are tossed together. What is the probability of getting different faces on the coins? So here 2 coins are tossed together. So what is that possibilities? That means we have to write the sample space. So S equal to set of, for the 2 coin possibilities, that is nothing but HH, HT, TH, TT. So N of S equal to 4. Here they ask us what? Getting different phases. Different phases means ஒரே மாதிரி இல்லாமல் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக ஹெட்டு தனியாக டெய்ல் தனியாக. ஸோ இங்கே பார்க்கும்போது சேம் ஸ்பேசஸ். ஹெச் மீன்ஸ் சேம் ஃபேஸஸ். ஹெச்டி இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபேஸஸ். டிஹெச் ஆல்சோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபேஸஸ். TT also same phases. So here the 2 possibilities are nothing but that is HT and TH. So we want to write that event for this question. So here we have taken the alphabet. So let A be an event of getting different phases on the coins. So A equal to set of HT TH. So N of A equal to 1 2. So here we want to find the probability. So what is the probability means they ask. So P of A we want to use the formula equal to N of A divided by N of S. So here N of A is nothing but 2. N of S is 4. So here we can cancel with the table, that is 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2. So here P of A equal to 1 by 2. So different phases coin means different phases means different. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கிற காயின்ஸ் தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு காயினில் ஹெச்ன்னு இருக்கணும், இன்னொரு காயினில் டெய்ல்னு இருக்கணும். அந்த பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் தான் இங்கே எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ ஹெச்டி டிஹெச்னு எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ தென் வி ஹாவ் டு டேக் த என் ஆஃப் ஏ ஈக்குவல் டு 2, then P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S, then substitute and you have to cancel the table. With the same table means கண்டிப்பா அதை cancel பண்ணியே ஆகணும். So if you cancel, then we have to reduce that fraction. Then we get the answer, that is P of A equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, today's session is over. Write your CW neatly and properly. Thank you.